Hello, in this video, you will see how to change your Instagram password. Go to your phone, slide open, tap on your Instagram. When it opens, go to your profile and tap on it. Go on top, you see the three dots, tap on that. When that opens, tap on Account Center. Now scroll down, you'll see Password and Security. Tap on it. And there you are, Password and Security. You will see Change Password. Tap on it. This opens up. Tap on your profile. Now your password must be at least 6 characters and you should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Now in the first box, enter your current password. In the second box, enter your new password and retype new password in the third box. Then tap on change password and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share and like the video for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next video.